Now going to take Teraminx apart into sections, dividing out groups of corners and edges that are masked so that they stay together. Okay, so I got all the puzzle pieces sorted. I have the whole thing torn apart, and I've sorted them all by corner and edge, and I have which ones I'm going to bandage and which ones I don't have to bandage at all for each corner. So the key to making sure that you have the right tape and everything, as you can see on this, is that the bandage pieces all held together by masking tape, so they're in the nice neat groups, and I labeled them. And the masking tape keeps pieces that are hard to put together, like the four edge pieces. As you can see, the four edge pieces are held together with masking tape, and they're in the exact edge configuration needed for the glue. The tape keeps the top flat so that when you glue them together, it will fall back into its original shape and not be sticking up sideways and leave a piece that you'd have to sand down or add more filler to make sure that the puzzle slides nicer on the inside pieces. The inside won't be out of line, and it'll make a smoother puzzle. And that's how you do that. So you have your full edges. As you can see, the edges line up nice and neat, so the glue will fit together on those nice and smooth. But the corners depend on a center coming off the corner so that the other pieces line up right exactly. And as you can see, that line has to be perfect, otherwise the puzzle will not turn correctly. So that's why the tape stays on it, so that when you glue each piece together, the smaller pieces come out right. And so the next process will be the gluing.